My name is Mariam Sakina and my daughter is Muna Raihana. She is 9 years old. She received her bilateral cochlear implant when she was 2.5 years old. Hannah now is in standard 3. Cochlear Mini Mic has been the best help that she got in the classroom. Cochlear Mini Mic is basically a wireless accessory that comes together with a cochlear implant. The teachers will be wearing the mini mic on themselves and it will transmit the teacher's voice directly into Hannah's processor. It enables Hannah to listen to the teacher's voice clearly and not be distracted with the background noise. It gives her A+ quality, which is really great, and it really helped her a lot during the classroom sessions.